Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way to build your own invoicing tool. To get started, scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the JotForm platform. JotForm is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. It offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize your forms. With JotForm, you can collect registrations, payments, surveys, and more. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your JotForm account. Now, to build your own invoicing tool in JotForm, start by clicking on the Create Form button located either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will give you 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, and Create signable document. For this tutorial, we will choose to start the form from scratch. Click on the Start from Scratch option and you will be directed to another window where you can select the layout of the form. Choose the Classic Form option and proceed to the editor. In the editor, give your form a name. For example, you can name it Make Your Own Invoice. Once you have named your form, it's time to add elements. Navigate to the left side of the editor and click on the Add Form Element option. Select the Full Name option to add a name field to the form. Similarly, click on the Email option to add an email field. Once you have added all the necessary fields, including a payment method of your choice, it's time to publish your form. Click on the Publish section to access the sharing and embedding options. Here, you can copy the link of your form by clicking on the Copy Link option and share it with others. You can also invite people to view your form by entering their email addresses in the Invite by Email field. Additionally, you have the option to share your form on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, now known as X, and LinkedIn. You can also download a QR code that can be scanned to install the app on a mobile phone. If you want to embed your form into a website, navigate to the Embed section in the left menu. Click on the Copy Code button to copy the code and then paste it into the desired website where you want to embed the form. Once the form is built, let's convert it into a PDF. To convert the form into a PDF, follow these simple steps. First, navigate to the top left side and click on the Form Builder option. From the options provided, select PDF Editor. This will open the PDF editor, and the form you built earlier will also be displayed in the PDF Builder. In the PDF editor, you have the ability to import information from the answers given in the form's fields. When users fill out the form, their entered information, such as full name, email, etc., will automatically be converted into a PDF document. This allows for easy organization and storage of user data. Now, if you want the PDF containing user answers to be sent to the users automatically, follow these additional steps. Navigate to the top left side again and click on the PDF Editor option. Then, click on the Form Builder to switch back to the form you built. Once in the Form Builder, click on the Settings section to access the form settings. From the left menu, select Emails. Hover over the Autoresponder option and click on the pencil icon that appears. This will take you to the Autoresponder settings. In the Autoresponder settings, click on the Advanced section and turn on the Attach PDF button. This ensures that when users fill out the form, a PDF of their answers will be automatically prepared and sent to their specified email addresses. And that's it. Thanks for watching and take care.